Your office chair is a foundational part of your desk setup, and one brand that continues to impress me is OdinLake, who I didn't know about until earlier this year. I checked out one of their previous chairs and really liked it. And since my friend John is looking for a new ergonomic office chair for his new desk setup, we're going to be checking out the O3 Ergo Butterfly 753. Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by OdinLake, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest impressions throughout this showcase. And right away, the packaging for this chair gives off a very modern and premium vibe. Plus, everything just looks good in black. Right out of the box, OdinLake keeps things organized and simple. Each part is well packaged and clearly labeled. The instructions are straightforward and assembly took me under 20 minutes. And the best part, everything you need is provided, so there's no need to use any of your own tools. Everything clicks into place cleanly, and you can tell from the start the materials are high quality. Alright, so here it is. Very similar to the last chair that I tried from them. The design really stands out. I love the use of all the metal. This thing is solid. It was just a few steps. Honestly, like having the armrest in was awesome because that saved me some time. So this chair will probably take you like maybe 15 minutes to put together. So let's give it the first try. Oh. Yeah, this is it. And then, John, give it a shot. I want you to test out your chair.
All right, first try.
You're gonna like it.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, you just like melt in. And the nice thing is this backrest, this support here in the lumbar just sticks with you no matter where you go, whether you're leaning back or fully upright. That's fantastic. I like that a lot.
Now check out the footrest. Pull that out. Flip the switch. There you go. Oh, flip it more. There you go. Yeah, it's a little, you gotta get used to it. Flip it out. Now put your feet on it. Lay back. This is the best part.
Yeah, it is the best part.
Now you're not gonna get any work done.
No. Once
it's fully built, the chair really feels premium and actually a little heavy. And unlike most office chairs that rely on basic plastic mechanisms, this chair uses a premium aluminum alloy tilt system, providing next level stability and confidence. I really like that their aesthetics are both modern and bold. This thing genuinely elevates the look of any setup. It doesn't scream gamer chair, but still feels futuristic. It has a unique silhouette, and the butterfly backrest design immediately catches your eye. The butterfly shape actually splits into two panels that lift and support your back muscles individually, adapting as you move. This design helps reduce lumbar pressure and keeps your spine supported even during long work sessions. OdinLake told me that they were inspired by the profound philosophy of Zhuang Tzu, who is the representative of Taoism. The O3 draws from the timeless wisdom of Zhuang Tzu's dream of a butterfly, where the boundaries of self and environment blur. This legendary philosopher's focus on the human experience fueled OdinLake's innovative approach, reimagining the ergonomic chair with the O3, as a chair that fluidly adapts to the user, much like a butterfly in harmony with its surroundings, rather than requiring the user to conform. Moving on to the key features, we'll start with the armrest, because OdinLake did something really interesting here. This is their first chair with wire control embedded armrests, which basically means there are paddle shifters built right into them. You can adjust the chair's position, like tilt and height, without ever reaching under the seat or standing up. It's small things like this that make a huge difference in your daily use. And these are 3D adjustable armrests, so you can fine-tune the height, width, and angle to match your workflow perfectly. You also get a 5-level adjustable backrest height, which is great if you're shorter or taller than average. It's all about that custom fit. The built-in dynamic lumbar support adjusts automatically with your spine as you move. So whether you're leaning forward working or leaning back watching a video, your lower back stays supported the whole time. If you sit for hours at a time, like me, this feature could be a game changer for you. There's even a built-in coat hanger on the back of the chair. It's subtle, convenient, and a great place to hang your hoodie, jacket, or even a backpack. No extra install is needed as it's already integrated into the design. Moving up, the adjustable headrest lets you dial in the right height and tilt, which is crucial for preventing neck strain, especially if you're tall or you like to lean back often. The seat itself is deep, cushy, and includes a sliding depth adjustment so you can get the perfect thigh support regardless of your height. When adjusted correctly, it actually helps you maintain your spine's natural curve and avoid fatigue throughout the day. The silent casters glide effortlessly on any surface, with no annoying squeaks or resistance. The Class 4 gas lift keeps everything feeling solid and secure, even when it's fully extended. Speaking of which, when you need a break, the chair reclines all the way back to 135 degrees, with precision locking so you can stop at just the right angle. The armrests even tilt with the backrest, keeping everything ergonomic as you lean. And my favorite part is the optional footrest, giving you the full relaxing lounge experience, which makes it really great for portable gaming. All in all, the OdinLake O3 Ergo Butterfly 753 nails it across the board. It's sleek, customizable, supportive, and packed with thoughtful features that actually improve your daily comfort, whether you're working, gaming, or just watching a movie at your desk. So if you're looking for a comfortable and ergonomic chair, take a look at the OdinLake O3 Ergo chair. There's currently a Black Friday deal, and you can find it through my affiliate link in the description below. Big thanks to OdinLake for sponsoring today's video, and if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more setup content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.